All right. So we're going to embed and link to Excel content in this one. So go ahead and download link tables, and then you'll come into files and you'll find, again, files are under our courses. You'll have files. You'll come to module 7. You'll scroll down and you'll find new equipment. You'll click on it and you'll download this file. So you've got 2 files here. It'll be new equipment and link tables. Go ahead and open link equipment. And we'll get started. So it just says to display slide 9. Okay. And we want to display the least cost worksheet of the new equipment workbook on the slide by linking to it. Okay. So to do this, what I'm going to do, there's a couple ways to do it, but I'm just going to demonstrate one. I'm going to come in here. I'm going to select this, copy it. So I selected the table. And I hit Control-C copy. I could have also come up here and hit copy. I'm going to go back into my spreadsheet, and I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on my paste options, and I'm going to look for embed, which is this one. So now I've embedded that table right here. I'm going to open it up a little bit so I can see it. And then the next thing it wants us to do is link. So we're going to link this table by going to Insert, Link. We're going to link to this particular document, which this data was called new equipment. Click OK. And there we go. So now when I double click into it, it should open. It wants me to resize this, so I'm just doing that real quick. So it should reopen and allow me to edit it. So I'm going to come in here and double click on it. It did. So it gave me this, little pop-up. Come back here, double click again. All right, so it's asked us now to go into cell B2 and change something. So we have some data here. It says interest rate, 5% over 10 years, initial loan amount, monthly payment, cost of loan, 10-year lease cost, and then some savings. So it wants us to change this value to 6 and then see how that shifted considerably the amount that we, are paying per month. It went up by $1,000 a month. We lost over $100,000 in savings on the 10-year cost of this particular lease. Okay. And this is just these are calculations built in here. And so all you need to know is that when you're editing and making any changes here, it's going to have an impact on what shows up when you click out of the object. So select the merge cell that contains the payment schedule, okay? Title and fill the cell with a color of your choice from the top row of the themes color palette. Okay. So go ahead and click on themes, color palette, top row. I'm gonna click on that, okay? Select cells A2, okay, to A8. So I'm gonna hold shift and I'm gonna just use the tab down, okay? And fill with a lighter version of the color you chose. All right, so now I have those selected. So anything I do here is going to be done to all of them. So there we go. I've just done that. And you'll see now that I've got a slightly lighter purple here than I did over there. Okay. And then we're going to close Excel. So by clicking out of it, okay. There we go. And redisplay the linked workbook object on the slide in PowerPoint. Notice that the linked table reflects your changes. And that's all you got to do on this one. Okay. Save and submit. Thanks, guys.